What is going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to create multiple campaigns, specifically ASIN targeting campaigns using a bulk template, right? So I actually made a video on how to create campaigns where you are targeting keywords, right, using a bulk template, but this is just going to be kind of a follow-up on that video. I'm gonna elaborate, right, on that video and cover specifically how to create ASIN targeting campaigns so you don't lose or take a lot of time when going into your ad console and manually doing this process. It's just going to be way more efficient, and yeah, you're just gonna save a ton of time. So without further ado, let's go into the video. All right, so the first thing we want to do, right, we want to come over to this bulk operations page, and then if you take a look right here, you'll see that you can download the bulk operations template. Just click on this link and it's gonna pull the Excel sheet into your computer. So you just wanna open up. All right, so just open it up. All right, and you'll see this is a blank sheet, so we're just gonna fill it in. Don't worry, guys, and we're gonna just do it step by step. So the first thing you want to do is select the product, right under the product column, select sponsor product. And what you can do right away, actually, to speed up this process, you can copy the first entry and just paste it 4 more times, right? So we have 5 records right here, and this is like the same value, right? So you just want to take what's right here and just drag it down. Okay, then under the entity column, for the first row, it's campaign, then ad group, product ad, right? Yeah, and then what we want to do is for the next row, make sure that you select product targeting, and yeah, that's how you do that. And then for the operation, you want to select create and just drag it down. Okay, there we go. Campaign ID is going to be just your campaign name. So whatever you want to name this campaign, you can just type it in. I'm gonna do SP, and then maybe let's say I'm launching a coffee. Right, so I'm just gonna type in coffee, and then you want to do ASIN, and let's say it's just the first campaign, so we're gonna name it ASIN 1, and then you can copy it, then paste it in these rows that are like marked in blue color. So Excel makes it very convenient for you to fill in the sheet, because you already know that all of these colors that are highlighted in like kind of bluish color, you want to type in the value. Then for the ad group ID, you can just copy and use the same name for the ad group as your name, as your campaign. Portfolio ID, if you want to put this and add this to a specific portfolio, you can go actually to your bulk file. So basically you want to go back to this page, right, and then you want to select the date range, and you want to download a bulk file, right, for your campaigns, and then you'll be able to see all these portfolio IDs. So you can just copy that ID and paste it right here. Just punch it in this row, right, in this cell. Okay, and then campaign name, we want to do the same name, right? So just copy from the campaign ID column and paste the same value over here. Ad group name is the same. Okay, so just paste it. It's quite self-explanatory here. Okay, start date, you want to type in the today date. Okay, so let's do 2024 8 and okay, end date, you can leave this empty, but if you want to specify the end date, you can do that right here. Targeting type, you want to select manual. Okay, state, select enabled, and then just paste the same value across all of these rows. Again, everything that is highlighted in blue color must be filled out. Okay, so just keep in mind. Then daily budget, what is the you can choose the daily budget for this campaign. So I'm gonna start off with $20. Okay, then you want to actually go to your manage inventory within Seller Central. You want to go to inventory, manage all inventory. Okay, and then you want to grab the SKU. So let's take the SKU of our product that we want to like add to this campaign. Okay, and we're gonna paste it right over here. Add group default bid, just type in 1, and then you want to select the bid. And this is where you are going to actually add or insert the actual ASIN of your competitor into this like cell. So product targeting expression, under this column you want to put the ASIN that you want to target in this campaign that you are creating in a very specific format. So I'm going to show you right now. So what you want to do first, okay, let's type in, I just want to show you the format. So ASIN equals sign, right? And then you want to do the quotation marks. All right, and then within these quotation marks, you want to actually insert the ASIN, right, of your competitor. So let's go and let's just select our own ASIN. Obviously, you want to pick a competitor ASIN, not your own, right, not your own product. So yeah, paste it right here, and that's how you add the ASIN to your product targeting campaign. And then you can select the bid for this particular ASIN. So let's do $1.5. And then the bidding strategy, you select like down only. I prefer to like bid less on keywords and just stay conservative, especially if I'm really concerned about like my profitability. So I would always choose dynamic bids down only. And yeah, and then what you want to do is do the same thing, right? You can just copy the last row. If you want to add like multiple ASINs, no matter like whatever the amount of ASINs that you want to add in this campaign, for targeting, you want to just copy the last row and paste it. Like you can do 5, you can add like 5, 10 ASINs. So last thing, and what you really need to change in this case is the ASIN. Okay, so let's just go to Amazon and I'll just search up like coffee, right? Just for example. Okay, I'm gonna just select random ASINs just to illustrate this for you. So let's copy this one. Okay, let's paste it right here and let's do ASIN. Follow the same format. Okay, let's copy this one. Let's copy this one and paste it over here. And let's copy this one and paste it right here. And again, you want to apply the same format because if you only insert the ASIN, it's not gonna like scan and process the data, right? The algorithm is not that smart, basically. Just need to type it correctly. Okay, and you can select the bid. So I'll do 2.2, $1, 1.7, and then I'll do like 90 cents for this one. Yeah, and that's how you add, how you create ASIN targeting campaigns for Amazon PPC advertising. And if you want to create like the next campaign, you can just copy all these records. And all you need to do is change the campaign name, right? So you can like switch the number, like you can, change the number to different one, right? And you replace all these like values, and yeah, you leave the same start date, same, everything else stays the same. The only thing that you can like change, are the actual ASINs. This is what you want to change. Then the bid, if you want to pick a certain bid for each ASIN. Let's say I know that this ASIN is more relevant, it's more specific, I'm gonna convert better on that competitor, so I'll just maybe increase the bid and choose a higher bid, and I'll then lower it for these other competitors because I'm not really convinced, or I'm not really confident that I'm gonna convert as well, right? And then you can also like select the other SKU, like maybe you're launching the next campaign for a different product, right? So you want to advertise or promote a different SKU, so you always want to like apply that like change and align the data right here with what is your intention. So yeah, that's how it works. And I see the error here, but yeah, pretty much really like the process is simple. Yeah, if you want to create multiple campaigns, you can now like from now on you just copy all these records and then you just paste them, save the sheet, and then you want to choose the file and upload the sheet right over here, open, and then upload to process changes. So we just click that button, and within like a few minutes all these changes are going to get like through, and yeah, you'll be able to launch campaigns much more quickly. So I hope you like this video. So yeah, this is really the process. If you want me to help you with advertising strategy or growing your Amazon sales, feel free to reach out to us, and yeah, I'll be happy to help you. So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.